Thanks for coming back and watching again. It's Friday the 19th, it's 10:30 in the morning and 32 degrees. It gets worse though. It's expected to be 42 today. Now the corn I planted last week has been dug up and eaten by the mice. I give up on that for this year. I'm not going to bother again. I've still got the corn around here that's getting quite tall now. The blueberry cherries, which I showed last week, Nick from Nick's Allotment made a comment that they turn orange, or they'll get an orange tinge, and so I've never grown these before. Somewhere there's some in there, hopefully that's showing up. Just a few starting to get an orange red tinge. There's another one over here. It's just covered in tomatoes, so this one. And the Amish paste, which I've got labelled incorrectly, getting quite a few now, changing colour, hard to see. That one could definitely be picked. Grab this one now. I've got some video taken a couple of days ago after work. Harvesting a few things. I'll add them in somewhere on the video. So there's no real plans this weekend, so I've no idea really what I'm going to be doing, but if there's anything else interesting I'll add it to this video. This one's for Paul. He wanted to see how my grapevines were going. So this one is the white grape, white seedless, Dawn seedless. Not sure if that can be read. It's a bit hard to see the screen at the moment. And so training that to go up and over the arbour. Maru seedless, and not quite as tall. It's not growing as fast, but still quite good. And my brother-in-law, who has his own vineyard, tells me grapes each vine needs 2 litres of water a day. Right, this end of the house on the deck, for lemon tree, but the blueberries. Someone mentioned about the blueberry, and there's Zoe checking it out again, or she was. I've caught her eating the blueberries. I've been getting a lot off it. What are you looking for? Yep. We could probably get a lot more if we didn't have a thief. It's about 11:45. It's 38 degrees now. Same in the greenhouse. It was a few minutes ago. As you can see, the rhubarb doesn't like the heat, although last night it was lying down flat. I put a lot of water on it last night. I've just put some extra water on it now. At least it's standing up now. I'll have a look in the greenhouse because I've got the misters going. So they've been on less than 10 minutes and it's down to 27.3. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just go and check what the temperature is in the greenhouse. It's 38 outside and 41.1 inside. Time to turn the misters on. Been less than 5 minutes and it's down to 33 degrees. I'll leave this on for about half an hour. I finished printing. Now they work. That groove in there is where the string goes. So that clamps onto the string and then around whatever it is you want to spot. End of the weekend. The rhubarb has recovered a bit, but the leaves are still not looking great. I didn't get a cover done for it, no shade cover, but I've got some timber posts, so I'll do something about it maybe during the week. Depends on the temperature. Doesn't seem to like 42 degrees. Everything else is going okay though. Just been keeping the water up to it. I'm sure the sweet corn's grown at least 100 mil in the last 3 days. Zoe. Rex. Want to go inside? Go on then, inside. Come on.